Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here. Today we're diving into a topic that's often overlooked: emergency prepping for people with diabetes. Emergencies like power outages or natural disasters can throw your diabetes management into chaos. That's why having a plan is crucial, not just for doomsday, but for peace of mind and your health. In this video, I'll break down the 7 essentials every person with diabetes needs to know to stay safe in any emergency. When it comes to managing diabetes, your medications are truly your lifeline, especially in a crisis. Imagine a situation where you can't get to the pharmacy or supply chains are disrupted. In those moments, having your medications on hand can make all the difference between stability and a dangerous emergency. Insulin and oral diabetes medications are absolutely essential for your health. That's why experts recommend always keeping at least a 2-week backup supply at home. This buffer gives you peace of mind and buys you time if you ever face unexpected delays or shortages. Don't hesitate to talk to your healthcare provider and pharmacist about your emergency needs. Ask if you can get extra refills, or if they have samples available for you to keep as a backup. Many providers understand the importance of being prepared and can help you plan ahead. Insulin needs to be stored at the right temperature to stay effective. Invest in portable coolers, Frio packs, or insulated bags with ice packs. These tools are designed to keep your insulin safe during power outages, travel, or evacuations. If you lose electricity, these can be a lifesaver. Make it a habit to rotate your medication supply. Use the oldest medications first, and check expiration dates regularly. This way, you'll always have fresh, effective medicine on hand, and you won't be caught off guard by expired supplies. Remember, diabetes often comes with other health concerns. Include all your essential medications in your emergency kit, like pills for blood pressure, cholesterol, or any other chronic conditions. Your emergency stash should cover your whole health picture, not just diabetes. Keep a written list of all your medications, dosages, and your doctor's contact information. Store this list in a waterproof, clearly labeled container. In an emergency, this information is invaluable, especially if someone else needs to help you manage your care. Label every medication container clearly, including your name, the medication name, and dosing instructions. If you're ever unable to communicate, clear labels ensure that anyone assisting you can give you the right medication at the right time. Don't forget the supplies that go along with your medications. Pack extra syringes or pen needles, alcohol swabs for cleaning, and a sharps container for safe disposal. These items are just as important as the medications themselves, and having them ready means you can manage your diabetes safely, wherever you are. During emergencies, pharmacies may be closed, or shelves may be empty. Your personal supply becomes your safety net, ensuring you don't have to go without the medications you rely on every day. Review and update your emergency kit every few months, especially if your medication regimen changes. Remove expired items and add any new prescriptions. Staying organized now prevents stress and confusion later. Make medication checks a regular part of your diabetes self-care routine. Set a reminder on your calendar to review your supplies, check expiration dates, and restock as needed. This small habit can make a big difference in your safety. When you're prepared, you gain a sense of control and peace of mind. Knowing you have what you need, no matter what happens, lets you focus on your health, not on worry. Don't wait for a crisis to start preparing. Begin building your backup medication supply today, and take the first step toward protecting your health in any situation. Imagine this: the power suddenly goes out, plunging your home into darkness. For most people, it's an inconvenience, but if you have diabetes, it can quickly become a serious challenge. How do you keep your blood sugar in check when your usual tools and routines are disrupted? Blood sugar management gets tricky fast when you can't rely on your usual devices or apps. The uncertainty can be stressful, but with the right preparation, you can stay safe and in control. Always keep a manual glucose meter in your emergency kit, along with plenty of test strips and lancets. Unlike digital meters that need charging, manual meters work anytime, anywhere. Make sure you have enough supplies to last at least a week, just in case the outage is longer than expected. Practice using your manual meter before an emergency strikes. Familiarize yourself with each step so you're not fumbling in the dark or under stress. If you usually rely on a continuous glucose monitor, know how to switch to fingerstick testing smoothly. Stock up on batteries for all your devices, including your glucose meter, flashlight, and any backup alarms. Consider investing in a portable power bank or a solar charger. These can keep your phone and some medical devices running even when the grid is down. Insulin is sensitive to temperature changes. While it can be kept at room temperature for up to 28 days, it's important to avoid exposing it to extreme heat or cold. Use insulated bags or coolers with ice packs to keep your insulin safe, especially during summer outages or if you need to evacuate. If you use an insulin pump, make sure you know your manual injection doses. Keep written instructions handy in your emergency kit so you or someone helping you can refer to them if needed. It's also smart to have extra syringes or pens available, just in case your pump stops working. Testing your blood sugar in the dark can be tricky and even dangerous. Always have a reliable flashlight or headlamp in your kit, with extra batteries. This ensures you can see what you're doing and avoid mistakes, even if the power outage happens at night. If your devices can't log data, track your blood sugar readings in a notebook. Write down the date, time, and your results. This record will help you and your healthcare team understand your patterns and make adjustments if needed once things return to normal. During an outage, you may need to ration your test strips. Focus on checking at key times, before meals, at bedtime, and whenever you feel symptoms of high or low blood sugar. This helps you use your supplies wisely while still staying safe. Stress can cause your blood sugar to spike, so it's important to stay as calm as possible. Practice deep breathing, meditation, or other relaxation techniques. Stick to your routine as much as you can, even if your environment has changed. Emergencies are tough, but preparation makes all the difference. Involve your family or roommates in your emergency planning. Make sure they know where your supplies are and how to help if you need it. Create an emergency diabetes plan and keep a list of important contacts, like your doctor and pharmacy, somewhere visible. This way, everyone in your household knows what to do if you need help. Remember, you've got this. Just plan ahead. Confidence comes from knowing you're prepared for whatever comes your way. Keep your supplies organized and accessible. Label containers clearly and store them in a spot that's easy to reach, even in the dark. Your emergency kit is your lifeline when the lights go out. With a little planning and the right mindset, you can manage your blood sugar safely, no matter what the situation. When disaster strikes, what you eat can make a huge difference in how you feel and how well you manage your diabetes. Food matters, especially in a crisis, but not all emergency rations are diabetes-friendly. Many pre-packed emergency foods are loaded with sugar, salt, or simple carbs that can send your blood sugar soaring or leave you feeling sluggish. That's why it's so important to be intentional about what you keep on hand for emergencies. Stock up on shelf-stable foods that offer real nutrition and steady energy. Canned beans and tuna are great sources of protein and can be eaten straight from the can if needed. Nut butters provide healthy fats and pair well with whole grain crackers, which are less likely to spike your blood sugar than white bread or regular crackers. Look for low-sugar granola bars that are high in fiber and protein. They make a convenient snack that won't cause big blood sugar swings. When choosing fruits and vegetables, opt for canned or vacuum-sealed options packed in water, not syrup or heavy sauces. This helps you avoid hidden sugars and excess sodium. Canned veggies and fruits in water retain most of their nutrients and are easy to store for long periods. They're a simple way to add vitamins, minerals, and fiber to your meals, even when fresh produce isn't available. Aim to balance every meal with a mix of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. This combination helps keep your blood sugar steady and gives you lasting energy. For example, pair canned tuna with whole grain crackers and a side of canned green beans. Or try nut butter on whole grain bread with a serving of canned fruit in water. Planning balanced meals ahead of time can make a big difference in how you feel during a stressful situation. Be cautious with snacks and drinks labeled as emergency food. Many of these are high in sugar and simple carbs, which can cause rapid spikes and crashes in your blood sugar. Avoid things like candy, soda, and sweetened drinks, even if they seem convenient. Instead, choose snacks that are low in sugar and high in fiber or protein. For treating low blood sugar, always keep glucose tablets or gels in your emergency kit. These are designed to raise your blood sugar quickly and safely, without the unpredictable effects of candy or soda. Make sure you know where they are and check the expiration dates regularly so they're ready when you need them most. Plan ahead by organizing at least 3 days' worth of meals and snacks that fit your dietary needs. Label your containers and keep your pantry organized so you can find what you need quickly. Rotate your supply every few months to keep everything fresh and safe to eat. This way, you'll always be prepared, no matter what comes your way. If you have allergies or other dietary restrictions, make sure your emergency food stash is tailored to your needs. Look for gluten-free, nut-free, or other specialty items as needed, and double-check labels to avoid any surprises during a crisis. And don't forget a manual can opener, simple but essential. In an emergency, electricity might not be available, so having a manual opener ensures you can access your food when you need it most. With a little planning and the right supplies, you can eat smart and stay healthy, even when times get tough. Water is critical. Dehydration can spike your blood sugar and worsen complications. Store at least 1 gallon per person per day for 3 days, more if you can. Use clean food-grade containers and rotate tap water every 6 months. Keep bottled water in a cool, dark place. Have water purification tablets or filters in case your supply runs low. If you take meds that affect your kidneys, hydration is even more important. Include oral rehydration solutions or electrolyte powders in your kit. Don't forget water for pets or family with special needs. Prioritize water, it's your best friend in any emergency. Medical ID can save your life when you can't speak for yourself. Wear a bracelet or necklace that says diabetes and lists allergies or key meds. Keep a printed info card in your wallet or kit with your diagnosis, meds, and emergency contacts. Make sure your ID notes if you use insulin or have severe lows. Teach family and friends about your ID and what to do in an emergency. Update your info regularly as your health or contacts change. Emergencies can happen anywhere. Wear your ID every day. It's a simple step that can make a huge difference. Backup supplies are your safety net. Have extra glucose meters, test strips, lancets, and batteries. Pack syringes, pen needles, alcohol swabs, and a sharps container, even if you use a pump. Include extra adhesive patches for CGMs and pumps, plus ketone test strips. Make a checklist of all essentials and keep everything in a grab-and-go bag. Restock and review your kit regularly. Redundancy isn't paranoia, it's smart planning. Confidence comes from knowing you're prepared. Pull it all together with a personalized emergency action plan. Identify the emergencies most likely in your area and tailor your plan. Write clear steps for managing your diabetes in each scenario. Share your plan with family or friends and make sure someone knows where your kit is. Keep emergency contacts in your kit and on your phone. Practice your plan so everyone knows what to do. Update it as your needs change. A solid plan takes the panic out of a crisis. Focus on staying safe and healthy. Remember, your diabetes journey is unique. Customize your emergency prep. Consult your healthcare provider for advice on storage, dosing, and special needs. Start prepping today. Even small steps make a big difference. Share this video to help others stay safe and subscribe for more tips. Stay healthy, stay safe, and see you in the next video.